Hi, today we are preparing Marathi chicken. Now, don't ask me why it is called Marathi, but this is a recipe of my wife's grandmother who used to prepare this regularly, and everyone used to like it, including myself. Now, I have 1.5 kilo of chicken, a big chicken, cut into pieces, medium pieces, and we have here about 15 red chilies, ginger, 2 inch ginger, 1 pod garlic, about teaspoon of pepper. This is 2 teaspoon of cumin seed or jeera, 1 teaspoon of khaskhas, and cinnamon, 2 to 3 sticks cinnamon, and 10 cloves. Now all this should be soaked in vinegar for about 5-6 hours, and so I have half a cup of vinegar, white vinegar, so I'm going to soak it and keep it close it and keep it. Now here we have chicken, 1.5 kilo of chicken, like I said, a big chicken. I'm going to put about little turmeric, half teaspoon of turmeric, little pepper powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to marinate it and keep it aside for marinade. So here you have chicken, and now 5 onions. 2 of the onions to be ground with this mixture after 6 hours, and along with 3 tomatoes, 2 onions and 3 tomatoes. Now these 3 onions to be cut sliced fine, and 1 tomato to be added, chopped tomato to be added while cooking. This is a handful of raisins, 4 chilies to be split, and these to be both of these plums and the raisins and the chilies to be added while cooking. Now this is about a half cup of ketchup, tomato ketchup, and this is for garnishing, coriander leaves to be chopped and added. Now, so I will come back to you after 6 hours. It can be kept overnight too, and can be done in the morning. I'm going to cook now in the evening, so 6 hours. To grind all this now with the soaked ingredients, with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, onion, soaked ingredient with the vinegar and the tomato. You can put it later, the remaining, once you start grinding it. Heat little oil in a vessel, and when it is hot, then you fry the marinated chicken pieces lightly, slightly, to take off the rawness. Marinated chicken pieces. Just fry it a little while, so just till the rawness goes off. and the chickens get slightly sealed. Okay. I've fried it for about 5 minutes now. I'm going to remove this and then add little oil and then fry the onions. Added little more oil. Now I'm going to fry the sliced onions. So I fried the onions, not till it is brown, but I'm going to add this ground masala and I'm going to fry it for about 20 minutes. And then if it becomes dry, then I'll keep adding the first masala water and more water. Mix well. And I've got this one tomato which I'm going to add later on just to thicken the curry and get more gravy. This is after 10 minutes. I have added now the chopped tomato, the fourth tomato. So I'll allow it to fry more and then I'll add the masala water and fry it, continue till you get a slightly brownish color. This is after 25 minutes. I got to fry for some more time, so I'll keep I think for another 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon I'll add I think, and then check later on whether the consistency is okay. The salt is enough. So we've got a thick gravy. Now I'm going to add the chicken, slightly fried chicken, salted chicken. Mix well and let the chicken cook in this gravy for some time. Add the raisins and the sliced chilies, green chilies. Sliced green chilies. Add 1 cup of water and let it cook. The chicken is cooked. Now I'm checking for salt. Good. Now I'm going to put it off. Add the ketchup, tomato ketchup. Mix. And then the coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. Mix and leave it there for some time and then serve. So 5 minutes you leave it there. It's off now. So with the same heat it will absorb.